Good morning and welcome to Florida Day.
3?
4. Where are we going this morning?
Magic Kingdom.
What for?
Breakfast.
Bus!
Is that
The
it?
bus! The bus! The bus! The bus! The bus! We're in the bus! We made it!
We made it.
We're going to go have breakfast at Be Our Guest. Yay! The bag is king of the bus. King of the bus. But we're here.
There's no ride running yet.
There it is.
You know what you want? I do.
You're having $3 Gaston, I know that.
Yeah.
And we get pastries at the
Oh yeah. Oh. Dunno.
I might have a croque madame.
Maybe.
Because I like that. I like croque Magic bands.
Both of us.
No, just one. Oh, there we go. See? Standing fan.
Yeah.
Right. So we want, you want
Feast à la Gaston.
Feast à la Gaston. You want a hot beverage?
Don't know.
You want a hot tea?
We don't know if they do tea.
Well, hot beverage. And then I want croque madame with also hot beverage.
We're going in. Oh. The ceiling. Don't know. What's this room called again? Is it just the art room? Look, there's snow outside. Can you see it?
Yum yum.
Yummy, yours looks good.
You've got good. You've got full English technically. Pastries, which look like a croissant, chocolate croissant, chocolate muffin. Not too sure what that one is. I think that one's blueberry. And then cinnamon?
Looks like it.
Maybe. But I got croque madame, which is basically ham, cheese, toasty. And you got full English.
Yeah, and some fruit.
And some fruit.
I wonder about our drink.
Oh yeah, do we just have to go up and get our drink? I think so.
Maybe.
Do you want to go get them? I think they're on that side over there. Yum yum, we got some tea.
Look how small the sausages are.
They're good?
Yep.
Good. I'm going to have my croque madame. I've been sat here waiting for it for ages.
That's really good though.
What is? Oh, this looks really good. I gave you all my grapes. Did you enjoy your breakfast?
I did enjoy it.
Me too.
You like yours?
I did. I couldn't finish it though.
Yeah, none of us like this one though. We don't like cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon. Smells a little strange, but cinnamon's not our kind of thing.
I feel bad leaving it though.
Oh well, I feel like that's the one that...
We don't need it.
I feel like that's the one that will get left out of everyone's plate.
Oh, that's sad.
You either like cinnamon or you really, really don't.
I like this room though.
Yeah, Yeah, we're gonna go look at the other room, aren't we?
Probably even snowing in Florida either. Like, look at that.
Silly.
It's cold, I didn't bring a coat.
Should we go look at the Enchanted Rose room?
Yeah. What do you want? A top.
I've drank mine. Ooh.
A lot less loud in here.
It's really dark in here though. Now for the main feature. Ooh, pretty. There you go. That's a bit better. Focus it a bit better. But ooh, I think when the last petal falls on it, that picture over there turns him into Beast. This whole room is really cool. Meant to be Beast's bedroom, I believe.
It's dark in here.
Yeah, really dark.
Not too bad though.
We're coming to do Enchanted Tales with Belle now. Seems fitting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's chilly in here.
In the back for my adults, come on in everybody, right this way. The other friends can stand up front, and all of us take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Take me back to the day that Belle and Beast fell in love.
Aren't you a good-looking bunch? Especially you in the back. This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. At least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait. We have enough parts for everyone. First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle. And of course, we need someone to play Philippe, Maurice's horse. Philippe says, yay!
Wonderful! Suits of armor, are you ready?
Oui.
Superb! Now, you have the hardest part of all. Throughout the entire tale, don't move. I'm joking. You will be marching soon enough. Now remember, Belle doesn't know you're here, so I shall call her in, and when she enters, we'll all shout, surprise!
What a great idea, Lumiere. Everyone stay quiet. When I say now, we'll all say surprise. Oh, but Lumiere, the lights, please.
But of
But
course.
she's right, she'll see us.
Belle, where are you, mademoiselle?
Lumiere. Now!
Surprise!
Well, shall we, before your big dinner with the master tonight, we thought it would be fun to act out the story with you.
I'm gonna love to be part of the story.
That was good.
What's good?
Thank you. Yeah, it was nice.
Cheers.
Sad we didn't get to have a picture as well,
Shame
but
everyone, because there wasn't that many people.
yeah. I guess
Maybe
it was all the little
and-
kids.
I mean, it's, yeah.
So we were the only people who didn't go with children.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can find Belle and take a picture of her at some point.
That's fine.
But yeah, right, what's the time? 22. We have got 40 minutes until our next fast pass.
Okie dokie.
So let's go find something to do. 5 minutes for Little Mermaid. So we're going to do this time. We didn't do it last time, it was too long. Never noticed they put little bits of like shell
I just when we were at the pub.
in the pavement.
It's nice, yeah.
It's a nice touch.
Little like seagull footprint.
Yeah. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? What did you think? My collection's complete.
There's lots of little crabs.
This is a really long queue line. Hi, Scuttle.
You one found stuff I didn't even know I had. What can I say? How do you humans stay warm without feathers? Hey, how's it going?
I got it. Hey, Scuttle, how did you get there so quick? Holding my breath. Bad guys.
To the right place. Yes, Ursula will help her. Pull her, Ellen. She swims.
Unfortunate souls in need. Like to say that there's something about her.
I feel like they missed out a crucial part of the story, Tom.
Maybe. Did they get married? Oh. Oh yes.
Did you like it?
I did, yeah.
I did too. It's good. And they skipped out a lot of the story, but I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you. You excited? Ooh. Hi. Hi, Ariel. Hi. Will you have this for me? It's recording. Sure. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh, she can. They are.
What do you call that? You want to say yourself? So where are you two from? So is it your first visit?
It is, yeah.
What's your favorite thing you've done so far?
Main favorite, yeah.
You didn't see Scuttle flying around, did you? Singing voice. So you probably hear him before you see him.
You've seen him singing earlier, that's right, so.
Yeah, so we actually been giving him singing lessons, but he's still not hearing anything. He's not hearing the flying because he don't either. So just tell him you hear stuff.
Go ahead, you're good. Alright. There you go, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want them ones?
They'll go with everything.
Yeah, you have been and ahhing and he's always said them ones definitely, so.
Yeah. My first pair of clothes.
Cool.
And make a wish with a little bit of faith, with trust and pixie dust. May all your wishes and dreams come true.
Ooh, sparkly.
We're going to do a little faith and trust and pixie dust. And your wishes are sure to come true.
You're so pretty.
Of course. Fantastic. You guys have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you.
On our way to Mine Train, definitely going to look forward to this one.
Take my ears off.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That was a really fast pass. That's a car right there.
That was nice.
Really tame.
It's very tame though, because we've been on Everest and Rock and Roller Coaster, so
yeah, it's definitely
a nice one, yeah.
A good transition one for people like kids getting
yeah,
into
it's a
roller
good middle
coasters.
one because it's not crazy at all. So
no. Oh look, the cottage.
Oh yeah.
We're going through the door. The Scream Tank. You excited?
I am.
Phil Mike Wazowski almost.
I like the TV.
I like that it's got scare facility and then they've covered it up with black.
Yeah.
All right, this is exciting. We're just about to open the doors to the last floor.
Look at that giant Scream Tank.
Laughter tank now.
Sorry, my bad.
Your MC, that stands for Monetary Ceremonies. That job goes to a little green guy. If you know his name, just go ahead and yell it out.
Mike Wazowski.
You are correct. It is Mike Wazowski, and that completes what we like to call the mic check.
Hello, humans! Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Hello, humans! Oh, thanks for your laughter, and goodbye, humans!
They've got lamps and they're Boo's eyes. Well,
Yeah.
Boo has a monster's eyes.
Well, yeah, but it's surely meant to look like that.
Yeah. It was funny, wasn't it?
It was funny. I liked it.
What time is it now? 1:45. We've got a fast pass for Winnie the Pooh in 20 minutes.
20 minutes. That's good then.
You ready?
Ready? Are you ready?
You went in Pooh's house.
It is. It's funny in there.
I think this is going to be my favourite ride.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice one.
Yeah, it's cute. Winnie the Pooh is one of my favourite films. Purple honey.
Ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
That's for the honey.
Oh dear.
Oh, grab it.
Tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look.
I like that.
It went so fast though.
It went really fast. We timed that well.
Come on, everybody! We don't want to be late!
Let's get it started, 'cause we just can't wait. If you're excited, yeah, let me hear you say, sing it! M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Recently I'm here today.
We all know we love them. Come on, everybody! It's Mickey and Mickey!
Look at all these people. And they're all here to celebrate with us.
Gee, Minnie, this is gonna be a real good time!
To the east, up into the west, celebrate and party with the best.
Hey everybody! Welcome to the Moving, Shaking, Dancing, Dancing Street Party!
Get out to the street to Oscar dance with Mickey and all his friends.
Come on, y'all! Oh, you want to see this?
It's not a party without a little shimmy and shake.
Mickey! Oh, Mickey, what a mouse! I just wanna see you shout. Hey, Mickey! Hey, Mickey! Oh, Mickey, what a mouse! I just wanna see you shout. Hey, Mickey! Hey, Mickey!
Thanks for coming, everybody.
Hey, keep on Oscar dancing!
Well, what a party! Thanks so much for celebrating with us, everybody!
Come on, everybody, put your ears on.
See you soon, everyone. Is anyone else going to be humming this song for the rest of the day? Huh? You guys are such great dancers.
Come on, everybody, put your ears on.
Ah, playtime.
I can't stop dancing.
Welcome to the Royal Friendship Fayre!
This is going to be so much fun. You're here.
Olha pra cá, Gabi.
We are links in a chain made of silver and gold. We are part of a pattern of bouncing one bone. We are heroes of stories simply being told. We come together on this day.
Hit it, Lewis!
Oh,
join me on the stage performing Mozart. The eyes till they gleam.
Lords and ladies, princes and princesses, please welcome Sir Mickey and Lady Minnie.
Come on, everyone! Let's all dance together!
Warm hugs for everyone.
Oh, this is what I love about the Friendship Fayre.
We come together on this day. We come together on this day.
Oh, they do that.
Thank you.
For your safety, remember to stay seated. Hands, arms, feet, and legs exercise.
Lost Boys. Mermaid Lagoon. There's Ariel. They won. Ah, poor Smee.
Poor Hook.
He deserves it. We got ice cream.
From what was it?
Ice cream scoops, the one on the corner opposite Casey's. I got ice cream plaza or something, yeah. But I got strawberries and cookies and cream. Yours is melting really fast.
Quick.
You got chocolate and vanilla on a cone. You need to eat the other side. Lick the, yeah, you're losing it. Oh, right. We've come back to the hotel now. We had some ice cream and then we decided that we didn't have any more fast passes or anything, and we're doing quite a lot, so we're going to go chill out and we're going to go Typhoon Lagoon. We're on our way to Blizzard Beach. We're on the bus. But we are the only people on the bus.
We definitely are the king of the bus no matter where we are.
We could have sat king of the bus, but we didn't want to. Thought we'd just use the front half of the bus.
Yeah. Because we're going to a water park kind of later on in the day though.
Yeah, it's 3:30, so...
3:30, closes at 5, so...
Yeah, I think it's at 5:30, I'm not too sure. But either way, we're just going to go have a chill for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And
the gondolas are going, sorry.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Look, they're going.
There's some tests there. Yeah, carry on.
I'm sad we're not here for when they were running.
Yeah.
As much as I'm scared of heights. But I feel like...
transport, the better, I suppose.
Yeah.
We're on our way to Blizzard Beach.
Hello, everyone. Me and you. Yeah, we're just going for a couple of hours. So then we're going to come back to the hotel, get changed, and we're going to go to Disney Springs.
Yeah.
And we're going to have Blaze pizza for dinner.
It'll be chill day from now on, basically.
Yeah.
We've got quite a bit done in
the past 3 days.
Last 3 days, yeah.
We've been just on the go constantly, haven't we?
Feet are fine considering, I guess.
My feet are okay. I feel like I could have brought like extra comfy shoes and my feet would have been perfectly fine. But I brought comfy shoes, but they were my mum's comfy shoes that do fit me, but they're quite like tiny bit don't fit me.
Yeah.
But yeah, they were comfy, but they still made my feet hurt a tiny bit. And standing still makes your feet hurt anyway, don't they?
Sandals, yeah, I don't like sandals.
No, just standing still, like when we're in queues and stuff, your feet are going to hurt just purely because you're standing still.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll vlog when we get there. There's the mini golf. We're gonna go there one day.
Yeah, maybe.
But here is Blizzard Beach. The shop. Beach house. Woo-hoo. Have a look at the map. I think we're just going to go around the lazy river, aren't we, and then make our way back. There we go on one of the big slides. Let's go.
We're here now in Blizzard Beach. The floor is really hot. And this is the first time we're trying out the
This is cold when we first came in, but now it's really nice.
yeah.
Oh, we're going to go straight into the... Are we going to go fly first? Or are we going to walk right into the...
Little bit. Trunks are going to come down because it seemed a little concerning when
my pants broke off a bit.
Oh, mine went the opposite. I was like, am I going to lose these right now? I know, I can't help that, can I though? Make it across the finish line. Water just hit my face. I saw everyone just go past me. Sad. I never got to go on, is it Summit Plummet? I never got to go on the big one. So, where? It is hot, yeah. It's not really that hot there.
It is hot. Okay. Have you got the key?
No.
Oh no, it's closed. Oh.
Jessica's so silly.
We're back.
Sand's gonna be hot.
Sand's gonna be hot. Is it?
Oh look, I got a dog print.
Is
I got that one?
it hot?
No.
Oh.
Nice as well.
Oh, it is.
You ready?
Wait, Tom. You been on a hammock before?
Nope. Probably. I think I have, but not for like long.
We're going on together? You moving up?
You don't smell.
Oh, I'll tip you off for that.
No, I'm tipping myself.
I know you are. Way.
There we are.
This is how funny we look.
Bit bright.
Tiny bit bright. Should we go back to the room?
Yep. Good to sunbathe though.
Yeah, it would be good. We can sit here a bit later when the sun's gone down a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna fall off. What? Oh, you'd already got up. Don't need it. We're here!
Disney Springs.
Oh, I've had a shower and washed my hair, so I feel a bit better now.
Same.
Yeah, we're all freshened up.
Yep.
Wearing somewhat nicer clothes.
Well, I'm
You're
wearing
in jeans.
Whoa,
Whoa, jeans. But look, it's so pretty here at night time.
I think we've gone in like the back way. And then back way.
Well, we want to go this way.
We're trying to find
Blaze Pizza. Hungry. Hungry.
Hungry hippos.
It smells so good.
Lots of smells. Burgers.
All like a Coca-Cola stuff.
Oh, we gotta go there.
Not right now. We've got food first.
I know.
Okay, I'm guessing.
Oh, I smelt it and it just came to me.
Yeah, oh.
Right there.
Oh, so hungry.
So hungry. What are you gonna have on your pizza?
I don't know yet.
I don't know either, but it looks busy.
We look crazy busy, to be honest.
The queue's out the door.
And what's that one called again? Mozzarella, that's it. Just blanking on what it was called.
Thank you.
Yep. That's everything. Dinner is served. Oh, yummy.
I'll go get us some napkins.
Napkins, good idea. Oh, yummy. I took a photo.
Pizza! Pizza!
Yummy.
Yes, I like pineapple on pizza.
What's this?
Meatball.
Oh, wow.
You can have some. Oh, and this was one Disney dining. So you get a pizza and a drink.
It's
for one
really good.
This quick service dining plan credit.
Yeah.
How is it? Take a bite.
Oh.
Mine was so good. So good. They cook it just right and it's really thin.
Yeah,
I like deep pizzas, but I also, if you're gonna do a thin pizza, it's gotta be like perfect thin pizza, and this is good.
Yeah, same. I like all pizzas, kind of pizzas, but when you really want ones like this, it's like, oh.
Yeah.
And it is.
Yum yum. Let's go. And it's here right now in front of you. Literally everything in here, if it could fit in Tom's suitcase. Well, look what we've stumbled upon.
Oh,
and then right next to it is Marvel.
Oh, wow.
One day we'll get some of them.
I do
or
like
something
them.
similar.
Get the hat.
The hats are cool. They're different as well.
They are.
Oh, that was dramatic.
Jess dropped the camera because I told her to get something from my bag.
And it fell out.
But it seems fine.
Seems okay. Screen's just a little clicky.
So
and your hair's a bit
right.
wild. This makes me so sad. But Cirque du Soleil's closed. I really wanted to go. And it's closed.
No.
I think we're going to go back now, aren't we?
Yeah, I want to get up for tomorrow, which will be an early day.
30th anniversary of Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
But we've had a look in some shops. We've done like one side of Springs. We're going to go to the other half when we come in the daytime next time.
Been good though, he's got a souvenir for someone, so.
But yeah, that's good. We've had a look around here. We'll just go to World of Disney next time.
Yeah.
When we've got some like proper time, because we're getting a little sleepy now.
Yeah. I'm getting my toes going weird.
Ooh, Tom's, customisable Tom's.
Let's have a look.
Oh, he's
much are
painting Minnie. Hi.
You alright?
That's cool, thank you. Oh, they're cool.
I kind of want to because my name's Tom.
That's what he's making at the moment. But they are cool.
Oh, they're cool.
But we're waiting for the bus now.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not too long.
Yeah, we just missed one.
Look how rosy we are.
Yeah, I know.
I still look really pale though. You look a little more tan than me. Oh, but yeah, we're gonna go now. So we will see you tomorrow for Hollywood Studios and Universal.
Night.
Night. Bye.